Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 video editors for beginners. If you are just starting out and want to enhance your video editing skills, these software options are perfect for you. So, let's get started. Number 1 on our list is VideoPad. VideoPad is a highly praised video editor that is designed to assist new editors. It provides a simple and user-friendly editing interface, allowing you to import video files, perform editing with high-quality results, and utilize a variety of video tools to make your videos visually appealing. Next up, we have VideoScribe. VideoScribe is another excellent video editor that can be suitable for beginners. It offers an easy-to-use interface where you can import content, add various video elements, and export edited videos in different formats. It's particularly useful for creating engaging animated videos. Coming in at number 3, we have DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editor that provides exceptional options for beginners. With this software, you can edit videos with high quality and precision, and it offers a wide range of features such as color correction, image stabilization, transitions, and much more. Now let's talk about Video Pro X. Video Pro X is another popular video editor, specifically crafted for ease of use and convenience for beginners. It allows you to import video files, add transitions, perform audio editing, and export videos in various formats. One great aspect is that it offers a free version, so you can give it a try without any cost. Last but not least, we have Shortcut. Shortcut is a user-friendly video editor, perfect for those starting out. It features a simple and intuitive interface that enables you to edit videos, add various transitions, and customize your videos according to your needs. And that concludes our list of the top 5 video editors for beginners. Whether you choose VideoPad, VideoScribe, DaVinci Resolve, Video Pro X, or Shortcut, each of these editors offers unique features and a user-friendly experience to help you kickstart your video editing journey. Give them a try and unleash your creativity. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy editing.
Yo, microphone check, we get a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want.